Hi, Bob from the Two Old Guys Garage. This is May 25th, and I'm going to talk a little bit about a cosmetic thing that I've been doing here. When my fiance and I bought this car, parts and pieces, in June of 1960, I did not get all of the pieces that belonged to the car because I wasn't around when it was taken apart in 1955 by John, and I didn't know all what I was missing. But through the years I realized that there is a trim piece, sheet metal, that goes on the A-pillar there, up and down. And years later, when I realized that it was missing, I looked. It is available as a reproduction part. And 5, 6, 7 years ago, they wanted like $35 for 2 pieces of sheet metal. So I checked again here a couple of weeks ago, and now the price is up to $53 for 2 pieces of sheet metal. The problem is that to get around that pivot piece for the tip-out windshield, you can't put those pieces in anyway unless you took the windshield out, because they go in back of that. So what I decided to do was I cut a template and took a piece of 18 gauge sheet metal and traced it out, and I got one piece made, and that's the piece that's sitting in there now. You can see the 4 screws, stainless steel panhead number 8 by 1/4 that hold it into existing holes. So I took the template and then traced a couple of pieces out over the loose, and that's the first piece that's cut and fitted. So the next thing for that will be to take it out and use it as a extra template to make sure that the driver's side is going to be the same shape and fit. And then I'll clean it up and I'll paint it with black epoxy so it'll cover those pieces. Doesn't add anything to the car per se, except kind of clean it up a little bit. So that's it. I'm going to pause here. Hang on. Okay, back. There's the cardboard template that I used, and this cutout is to allow it to fit past the pivot point for the tilt-out windshield. This is the driver's side. Put more material here to keep it as one piece, because this is a little too tight there. So I got to cut this one out on the line and drill the holes and match it to the other one. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Take care. Hi. Back. It's May 27th. I've finished fabricating and fitting the trim plates, the custom trim plates. Got them primed and got them painted, and they're all set to go. I'm waiting for the paint to dry, and then I'll install them and see what they look like. I'll be back after a while. Bye-bye. Back, same day. I've installed the plates. You can kind of see. Looks okay. Looks much better than it did. There's the one on the other side. Come out pretty good. So that's it. That should complete this M7 video. Take care, you all. Bye-bye.